Well, my goodness. Yeah, I know. It's been a long day with Jack and trying to keep him, I guess, what's the word? Happy? Just happy. But he is so wanting to just come on out. And of course, he wants to come on out because he wants Lily totally. And yes, I'm using the new camera and trying to figure out the focus. And it's not doing what I would say is a really great job. To be honest, Jack's head's all blurry, so just give me a minute and I think I will be back and see, as he gets closer to me, he certainly becomes more blurred, so I'm still trying to figure it out a little bit here. Yeah, it's going to take me a little while, I think, but I'll be back. Okay, I'll just have to keep doing the best I can in this mode for the moment, and certainly I've had a look to see how others have set theirs up, but I'm just not really liking it yet. I guess I'll get used to it, and I don't want to go on about whinging about the camera because it's really about poor Jack at the moment and his need to be with Lily. That is what is going on for this boy. So yeah, I don't know. I just don't know at the moment how to help him out, I guess is the word, other than keeping him occupied. I mean, he's been in that enclosure and just been, moving everything and up and down and all around, and certainly letting me know that, he wants to come on out, and he certainly wants to find Lily, but Lily's quite settled in her enclosure at the moment. And I'm just going to move this quite slowly. You'll see Lily up there quite happily minding her own business. And what I'm actually going to do is probably take Jack down while I have my shower so that he can chill and be occupied. It's more about keeping Jack occupied at the moment. And look at these two guys up here, doing their thing. Well, hopefully they're not doing anything that they shouldn't be doing. That is more the point. What end is this? Okay, that's the butt end. Sorry guys, but that's Jack's butt end, which I'm going to be keeping an eye on, of course. Keeping my eye on you guys, I tell you what, it's going to be a lot of fun, isn't it? Hey? Lily, I think will just move. Oh my goodness, what's a girl to do? Well, me. This girl, what am I to do? I can keep them completely away from each other. Jack will just find her again. He just keeps following her all over the place, but I will move her. Trust me, I will move her at some stage. So there's no hanky-pankies. Did you hear me, Jack? And it's you. Yeah, I'm okay. You I'm talking to. Oh, Lily. There's her little head coming up there. And Jack did poke his head up there for. I can see you, dude. I'm watching. I'm watching the tail. And I'm watching you too, Lil. Ah, good girl. Do you want to come on out? Where are you? Do you want to come on out? That would... Ah, there you go. Ah, sweetie. Honestly, it is about Lily will be wanting to go. Pretty much wanting to go. So I haven't totally... I see you, Jack. Can you see that little face of his down there? Where you got a focus camera. Totally focus for me. Hey, you pair. Hey. Holy McDonald's. You know, that's my favourite saying, is Holy McDonald's. I say it all the time. I don't know if I've said it in a video before, but right now that's a kind of moment for me, watching and hoping that Lily doesn't herself become amorous, you could say. Hey, sweetie, how about I get you moving and grooving up that away? Ah, good girl. Good girl. You will see her making an escape, so to speak, with Mum's help along the way. Jack will be going, oh no, and I was just getting nice and comfy with my girlfriend. Mum, and look what you've gone and done. I'm sorry, dude. I'm really, really sorry, but you better now, Lily? Oh, look at Cheeky Mush over there. This is the fun and the games of breeding season in my house, and this is what you're going to go through with your male snakes, and you've got female snakes that are, of course, of breeding age and letting out all those amazing hormones, and your male snakes will very much pick up on it. And Jack stops eating around this time because he's so focused on just doing what he wants to do. And it's been a long day with Jack, and I've not really seen him settled since I put him home from earlier on today. And he's going to knock this over with his big fat belly that he's got. But he's going to go and, of course, check every area of this room out to see if Lily is out and about. And that's what it is, more than than anything right now. Where is she? I want to find her. So frustrating for our male snakes. Not so much, of course, for Lily, who doesn't care, does she? At all. Although she was getting rather smoochy with Jack today, which I've got some video of them inside here yet. So anyway, he is going to make his way up top, search all over there as well. So what do you do with a frustrated snake? Keep them occupied. Let them explore. Let them come on out and get them outside. And you know, for me, it's like I can't take his mind completely off it, but I can at least let him out and give him some other forms of enrichment and ways to take his mind off it. And he's certainly getting plenty of exercise at this time of the year, for sure, with Lily being here. Of course we have Miss Tessa sitting up there, oblivious to life out here at the moment. And I really haven't had, you know, a lot of time with the others today at all. It's kind of just been completely me being focused on Jack. So yeah, I've got to put the time in with Jack. He needs it right now, don't you? Hey? What do you think? Everything just smells deliciously good, doesn't it? Because Lily has been all over there and everywhere. And I'll take that. Oh my goodness, where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, she's not up there. Totally not up there. I know she was earlier on, and you were too, dude. So, just a little video on my poor frustrated male snake. That's all I can say Jack is right now. And as I said, I'll do my best to try and keep him happy. That's pretty much it, isn't it? Keeping him as happy as I can. What do you think? Hey? Okay, guys. That's it. And I'm going to not be up for much longer. It's getting rather late. But I wanted to get him out for at least 10 minutes or so and let him see the fact that Lily isn't out here at all. She's in bed sleeping. She's had a big day out in the sun with Jack. So she needed to go have a bit of a rest. I know. There he goes. See, he's just like all over the place, and he knows that she's not there. And where is she? And I'm trying to find her, Mum, and I can't find her. Like I just can't find her. Can you? Hey? She's just not here, dude. You're in the complete wrong direction to be finding Lily. Alright guys, I'll just say ciao. You know, it's always about taking care of yourself and your family and your snakes and all your animals. Bye.